What are you doing? You're so stupid. Kermit. Stop it. Yeah. Hey, stop that. You've such attitude, mister. The fuck? What are you doing? You're being silly. You're a silly birdie. Huh? What? Kermit. You're too big for that. What are you doing? Oh my god. You're stuck now.